Welcome to Reagan Landing, a new Pulte Homes community designed for modern Florida living in Bradenton, Florida, and just minutes from Lakewood Ranch. Reagan Landing offers beautifully designed new construction single-family homes with thoughtful layouts, an industry-leading warranty, and the quality craftsmanship that Pulte Homes is best known for.
Hi, I'm Jessica. We're your dedicated sales team here at Reagan Landing, and we'll be with you every step of the way.
I'm Deanna. We're passionate about helping people just like you find the perfect floor plan and home site, making your dream home a reality.
Hi, I'm Matt. We look forward to welcoming you here to Reagan Landing soon.